been real, it's still real, it's gonna stay real. Focus on your peace moving forward. If it shows up half baked, half cooked, make half made, half ready, release it. Period. Stop forcing shit that's no longer. Ain't gonna hold nobody. Ain't gonna fake shit, ain't gonna hold shit, ain't gonna make shit up. I love what I do, cause I'm tapped the fuck in. I'ma read this motherfucking cards left, right, up, down, sideways, sideways. You hear me? Yeah, I read Mirror 2. Tap the fuck backwards in reverse. I'ma read these bitches. Straight, raw, real, and uncut over here. Hello, collective. Welcome. Let's get into your messages. Happy birthday, Scorpio. Some of you could be dealing with a Taurus or a Leo, or there could be a relationship between those two. We have Chris Brown with Tell Me How You Feel featuring Tory Lanez, and they are Taurus and Leo. I hope you all are well. Let's see what the universe has for you all at this time. Be sure to click the switch to energy, take a resonance on it. Anything you need to know about me is down below. We got bragging, telling people about you. Somebody could be showing your pictures around or showing you off in some way. Maybe you do something online. All right, somebody could be talking shit too. We will see. What's the T? Flip-flop changing up on you. Someone's seen something of you online, how you present yourself, something you said, causing them to flip-flop on you. Okay, some of you brag, you told somebody something about what you got going on in your life, and then it didn't go through. Could be a new job offer, opportunity, you overshared. Could be a relationship, somebody sent energy over, maybe you posted it. That's been coming out a lot. Here's some sirens coming from down the street. I stay near a fire department. Someone could be a firefighter. You could be a fire sign. Let's see. Some of you got with somebody. I got Tayana Taylor on the TV with Bear With Me. You got somebody that told you that they were healing or they were still working on themselves. Let me see what her zodiac sign is. They were still working on themselves when you got with them. They told you that, and you didn't take heed. She is a Sagittarius, and I just said some of y'all dealing with a fire sign. Tapped in. Yeah, you didn't take heed when they told you. Her song is titled "Bear With Me." I forgot how it go, but it's definitely my shit. She's basically said, "I told you that my heart is damaged." So, yeah. What else? What's going on here? We got gamble, about to take a risk to see you. So even though someone was unhealed, unready, you're prepared, they tried. This is the reason they flip-flop. Fake single, acting like they are okay with being single. With this fake single energy, this is someone that was exploring their options. For some of you, this is someone that has someone else, whether it's a whole full-on marriage, or they're dating someone, or they're dealing with their baby's father or baby mother. Someone's name could start with an M. All right, and we got resurfacing, reappearing after a period of hiding, or in some of your cases, ghosted you. We got Drake on the TV. The song says, "Girls Love Beyonce." Beyonce is a Virgo, Drake's a Scorpio. This is a collective read, so I will be dropping every notification I see, and I can intuit the message, and especially zodiacs. Let's see what's going on here. Cut the deck on, I'm planning on reaching out to you. So someone's headed your way. Someone could be watching you and they want to say something to you even if they never did. Some of you just rolling the dice energy. I feel like you gambled on a connection. Like you saw it for what it was. For some of you, there's a reason you gave doubt to a situation. For some of you, they red flagged out. They showed you something. You saw something. You heard something. Or you knew the situation was toxic and unhealthy before you got into it. So for some of you, you gave benefit to doubt. There's no reason. I would never in my life again do that. Because either I got trust issues, which means I'm not ready. That's why I'm doubting you. Or you red flagging all over the place. What's bragging? I got to see how that feel. I ain't even want to catch it. Okay, you're filling up, right? Friends and family disapprove of this connection. I just did a read, and there was an energy interfering. For some of you, the friend is someone close to you or close to somebody you're dealing with. Family, they could be married, or people's family have a big, huge say-so over who an adult dates. That's insane to me. It's like they're betrothed to be married or something. Maybe they already married and that's the family that disapprove. They don't want them, or they refuse to let someone place a view or a standpoint over their life because they failed or they left their family or they stepped out. So they could be stepping out anyway for some of you with you, but they are concerned about how they will be seen because they didn't make their family work. It's like they'd rather bend over backwards, do backflips and some kind of gymnastics for the relationship they're in to finally say, okay, it ain't working. For some of you, they just miserable and they still step outside that marriage or the situation they're in. Now, for some of you, your friends or your spirit guides, your family is your ancestors. Someone name could start with a T, but it may not serve you. So your friends, your spirit guides, your family, your ancestors don't want you in this connection. Okay, for some of you, you ignored your intuition here. This person is speaking ill over you, or they said some things to you that are unfavorable. It's like dating a narcissist or an abuser in whatever way. They're beating you up emotionally, physically, for some of you, and you're still there. So for some of you, it's time for you to take another look at the connection and you speak highly over it, okay? But yeah, I feel like for some of you, you overshared with bragging. There is so much I want to tell you. I feel like you posted your relationship online and someone hated over it or hated on you. For some of you, you shared this to the wrong person. They're jealous, they're envious. And ever since then, they flip-flopped and switched up on you. We got Trey Songz. The song is Mr. Still Your Girl. He's a Sagittarius. That's twice Sagittarius came through. Sagittarius. Jupiter rules Sagittarius, and that's the planet of expansion and growth. So me diving deep into my intuitive messages, your life could have been blossoming. You could have been expanding in every aspect, and then all of a sudden someone hated on you. Someone ruined your relationship. For some of you, Mr. Steal Your Girl. Interesting. Someone hexed or sent evil eye. People don't have to be into magic to wish ill over you. They can be connected genetically or in their DNA. They could be witchy and warlock energy, or they could be spiritual and they don't know how to access their gifts. It's like accidentally making some move in a movie and you go, oh shit, you don't know it's in you, but it's in you. It's something like that. Someone has ill intent and they are deeply connected to magical abilities or spiritual abilities, gifts. Just like me waking up psychic one day. What's flip-flop? There's a third party. Hey, Spirit said this message is gonna get out. So the last read I just did is titled A Third Party Ruined This Twin Flame Soulmate Bond, a renewal on the way. I decided to switch the main deck and still use these for clarification just to see if the energy will change. It's not. Flip-flop, there's a third party. So a third party is the reason someone flip-flop switched up on you. Same energy, different read, okay? So someone in my community needs to hear this message. All right, for some of you, you know, they married or they dealing with other people. For some of you, like, damn, why they ghost me? Why they stop talking to me? Why they acting funny? They're dealing with someone else. For some of you, an energy behind the scenes caused harm. Whether they got in their ear and manipulated them in some way, or this is someone that saw what you post. Friends and family could be you, who you think on your Facebook. You could think those your peoples, right? Someone you close to or you granted access to saw what you was saying and what you was doing. Could be a Facebook or social media friend. They hexed your love life or they interfered in it some way. I'm telling y'all, I know what I'm talking about. But let's see what's gamble. I mean, those scenarios may still apply to other people, family hating, they married and all of that. But it's really giving spell work. What's gamble? I'm intimidated by you. Okay, so for some of you, bullying and intimidation is the Five of Swords. And Five of Swords in tarot is hostilities, chaos, conflict. Could be chaos magic, conflict magic, envy, hate, bullying. Okay, just harassment. For some of you, this is somebody that don't want to release you with I love you. For some of you, this is someone close to you that's jealous of you. And they're doing this. Gamble, rolling the dice, about to take a risk. They're trying to attack you behind the scenes or undercover without getting caught. This is somebody close to you or you granted access to. Could be a monitoring spirit, though, on your behalf. It could just be a monitoring spirit. But yeah, watch what you post. Watch what you say. This envy been coming out all day, even in my members only. Now, for some of you, this is somebody that's kind of timid and shy when it comes to you. They're reserved, very guarded. They're trying to let their guard down because they love you. That's also there. What's fake single? I want to work things out. You the love of my life. Let me read that again. Acting like they are okay with being single. Okay, so this someone that chose a single life because they're afraid to commit. They're afraid of commitment, but they actually do want a partner. They want to try. Yes, child. This person could have been single for a while. Now, for some of you with fake single, they've been behaving single for a long time, and they absolutely married and or got somebody. How do you behave single? You keep cheating on your person like they don't exist and still go home and won't get a divorce or won't break up or move out. Okay, some of you, there's somebody that want a connection with you. I feel like I can't give you what you need. I still have growing to do. Some of you, they're choosing single even though they want to be with you. They're afraid of commitment. Just period. That's the vibe I get there. What's resurfacing? You are the person of my dreams. For some of you, it's a twin. It fell off a gamble. About to take a risk to see you. And with this sideways, I'm intimidated by you. They're trying to let their guard down. Child, this y'all twin. TwinFlame is ready to roll the... I'm like, what is that sticking up? TwinFlame is ready to roll the dice. Right here. I just said you could be dreaming of somebody. That's that telepathy. Resurfacing. One more for this energy resurfacing. I feel like something happened. Whatever happened has been removed. Okay. One more for resurfacing after a period of hiding. I can see myself with you in the future. I'm afraid of... Child, I'm tapped the fuck in. I'm afraid of commitment. I told y'all. Oh my God. Wow. I can see myself with you in the future. Fell over that bragging and flip-flop energy. For some of you, you're in a public eye and that's intimidating to them. You're sexy. You're handsome. You got a lot of shit going for yourself. You don't need nobody. You don't need them for shit. They're like, ugh, shit, what I'm going to do over there? Be in love. Okay. Damn. For some of you, because of all of this emotional trauma is why the spell work worked in the first place. Just period. They were vibing low enough, and I have been in a predicament where I was vibing low enough for things to attach themselves to me. Okay? The reason why a relationship can be tackled or challenged when you are in good health and in good spirits because the person you dealing with is not yet there, so the whole relationship fails. You feel like spell work going on. You feel like something is happening, but the person like, oh, they don't fuck with you. They ghost you because somebody did a spell. They're vibing low enough for it to happen. Yeah, you're not always 100% compatible. Sometimes it's doing this, or sometimes it's doing this when they ain't even in alignment. But sometimes you be right here with somebody. Y'all do this back and forth. Okay, for some of you, your person was down when they sent that spell, and that's why it worked. This deep as fuck. Like I said, someone's twin is on their way back, resurfacing, because they want to be with you. Some of you, I am a predictor, a seer, in the future. This is coming up. It's coming. I can see it. All right, this y'all read. I'm trying to decide on whether or not if the energy gonna change. Like, should I even do another read today? Because it's staying the same, but I'm gonna see what my guides say. Peace.